Hello and welcome to this loving kindness meditation. Loving kindness meditation has been around over 2,500 years, since the time of the Buddha. It's also called a Metta, which is the Sanskrit word for love and kindness. Loving kindness meditation is all about opening up your heart and cultivate love and kindness for all people and beings. All religions say the same. Love all beings and treat them as you would treat yourself. Dalai Lama, Buddha, and so many other masters have been using this technique to transform their minds, open their heart, and realize that the only path to happiness is through selflessness. So in loving kindness meditation, we start with sending loving thoughts and positivity to ourselves. Then we move on to someone close to us, someone dear to us, send loving wishes to them. Then we go to an acquaintance, someone you feel neutral about, and do the same there. And then the hardest one is when we move to someone we don't like. This one can be very difficult, especially if they have hurt you. It can be very hard to forgive them. But when you forgive and you give love to everyone, including people you don't like, this raises your vibrations and you won't be able to achieve enlightenment until you feel love for everyone, including those who have wronged you. Okay, so sit in a cross-legged position with a straight back. We'll start with rolling our shoulders so we're not holding any tension. So roll your shoulders back. And now forward. And close your eyes. We're going to take 5 deep breaths. And as you inhale, feel how you're breathing in the love, the loving prana. Breathe it in, love and compassion. And breathing out all the stress, worries, anxieties, breathe it all out. Now, visualize yourself. Visualize looking into your eyes and feel the love you feel for yourself. And say a few positive affirmations to yourself. It could be, may I be happy. Say this in your mind to yourself. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be healthy. Now say a few more self-loving affirmations to yourself and feel the love you have for yourself. bathe in this love and compassion you're feeling for yourself. And just feel how you love yourself, no matter what, no matter the past. You are beautiful. And you deserve love. Now let's move on to someone you love. It could be your partner, your mom or dad, a sibling, your best friend. And do the same thing here. So visualize them looking into their eyes and feel the love. Feel how much you love this person.